Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to add a signature in Outlook. So the first thing that we need to do in order to set up a signature in Outlook is to actually sign in our Outlook account. Once we are in this page, we need to click on the setting icon right here in the top right hand corner, and we can either search for signature or go down and see view all Outlook settings. Let's click on it. Then we need to go to compose and reply. Here we will be able to set up a new signature. So this is a signature name, so we can have several signatures and to choose from every time we send a message, and we can name them. So let's say this one, I don't know, standard signature, and then here we can put our signature. So let's say Matt from Dow to how, and then underneath we can put the phone number, so whatever it is. Once this is done, we can either select the name and put it in bold, italic, however we want to do it, and we can either have the option to add an image. Clicking this button right here, it will appear an image right there. I don't personally like that, but if you like, there is the option. On top of that, once we're done, we have the option to see and use the signature automatically for new messages. We need to click save first, and then we will have the signature appear here. So for new messages, we can select either no signature or the one that we just created. So every time we create and send a new message, this signature will appear automatically. And even for replies and forwards, so we can either say no signature for those, or once again use this one. So this is the easiest and most direct way to create a signature in Outlook. Let me know if you guys enjoy and find this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and like.